Aguanile, aguanile, Santo Dios, Santo fuerte, Santo mortal. Aguanile is one of the most beloved songs in Puerto Rican culture, often sang while performing cleansing rituals on the home, the body, and one surrounding using water and herbs. Aguanile, aguanile, bye bye, eso, aguanile, aguanile, bye bye. Holy water, cleanse my house, oh holy water. This holy water been flowing through my pipes, been flowing through my blood, been flowing through my roots that have been grounded in the Caribbean, called ourselves the good people, los Taínos, who always gave praise to our good God, who pulled back the curtains and lifted the earth of darkness. We gathered together and shook our brown bodies until the earth rumbled, stepping on every other beat, swaying with the wind banging on our chests to mimic the rhythm of their hearts and spinning just in time to see the boats. Aguanile. And they came. Aguanile. Holding chains attached to darker flesh that laid over blood, soon to be mixed with our own. These strange foreign men dripping, foreign tongue had light on their side, looked down on us as they were watching from the heavens. This is where my old world and my new world collided. This is how my house was built, remodeled. Everything I knew, took my so-called broken pipes and mended them with Christian wine, took their blood and forced all the women on the island to bend over backwards and take it, took my roots and used the trees' limbs that sprouted from them as a closet, saying all of their unwanted things, took my seed and drowned us by the tons. Hidden treasures sunk into the sea floor. The cleansing was complete. If all our waters are so crystal clear, where has all the blood gone? Would it be something crazy if I told you that the entire history of this island was in each and every single one of my blood cells that run rampant through the hallways of my body, making me a living memory, making my people a living memory? Is the reason we dance to drum beats in the rain, purposely stepping on puddles to pickaxe the past. It is the reason our food tastes so damn good, makes you want to lick your fingers. It is the reason why my people parade down these streets in bright colors, swaying with the wind, banging on their chests to mimic the rhythm of their hearts, singing Aguanile.